Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoCAD Mission 99. Today in lecture 18, we are learning the two most important cleaning tools in AutoCAD, trim and extend. First, let's look at trim. This is like a pair of digital scissors. Suppose we want to open a door here. Okay. For that, I want to type L for line and copy it. CO for copy. From here to how much? Click the ortho mode on. How much? Suppose 36 inch means 3 feet. Okay. Now I want to trim this. For that I will type TR for trim and press enter. Select object to trim. Just like that way you can trim it. You can trim any, suppose you want to trim it, this wall, you can trim it. You can select and just trim it. Suppose you draw a wall like that, L for line, and make offset O for offset how much? That 5 inch for internal wall. Okay. Now you want to trim it. So type TR for trim and you can trim it. Okay. Suppose again I will make a window here, L for line. This is our center point. Okay. Now I will copy it, CO for copy, and move it around 2.5 feet. Okay, and I will move it, M for move, 2.5 feet. Okay, now I will trim it, TR for trim, and click. Okay, now I will draw a window here, L for line for center. Okay, now let's look the extend. This is the opposite of trim. Suppose I want to extend this line from here to here. For that I will type EX for extend and press enter. Click the object, it will extend up to here. 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 So one thing I want to mention that, suppose if you again want to trim here, TR for trim and click here, it will be trim. But if you press and hold the shift key, the trim command will be extend. Now it is the trim command. Now it is active trim command. But if you press shift key and hold it, the trim command will be extend. See, the trim command will be extend. The trim command will be extend. And if you leave the hold shift key, then it will be again trim command. This is the magic. At a time you can trim and press the shift key and hold it, it will be extend command. I want to extend this line from here to here, just type EX for extend. Okay, and press shift key, the extend command will be trim. Now it will be trim. You can trim it. Just opposite. Suppose you draw a line, L for line. Again, draw a line, L for line. TR for trim. Press shift key and hold it. It will be extend command. Okay, now I want to extend this. Now type EX for extend. Hold the shift key. Now it will be trim command. Leave the shift key, then it will be again extend command. This is the difference between a trim and extend command. Go to the building plan you mirrored earlier. Trim all the overlapping wall lines and extend any beams that are not touching the column. In lecture 19, we will look at fillet and jumper, the tools that handle sharp corners and create beautiful curves. See you there. Om Shanti.